In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a dashboard in Metabase. By the end of this video, you will exactly know how to create it and how to set it up. So first thing you need to do is be logged in into your Metabase account. So first of all, you need to do that. Now, once you do that, you can create new dashboard. So in the upper right corner, click the plus icon label new. From the menu, select Dashboard. This is where you start building a central place for charts, table, and key metrics. So you will name this hello, for example. Um, Now you can also put description into it. And then we have which collection should this go on. So click on that collection, and I will go here to examples. So you can select where you will basically save this dashboard. So I choose that one, click select, and then click here to create. Now we can, I will save it. And now we can start creating in this our new hello dashboard. So if I click here to add a chart, on the right side, I will get these options from this examples map. What can I put in? So I can go with something like that. Then I can add new one. So for example, this one, and maybe, I don't know, let's say some table here. And also I can move it around if I want to. I guess it works like that, and we can place it something like that. And it's pretty nice to organize yourself this dashboard. After I finish with my placement here, I can click save. And now I have created my dashboard with this data which I wanted in here that are shown. So this is basically how you can create and then organize your dashboard. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, consider to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.